going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So my last video was when we went to the beach, which we're now here. My parents are walking the dogs, going poo-poo. But yeah, it's the morning. I'm gonna eat breakfast. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done doing that in 3, 2, 1.
I'm really tired. My mom's about to get out of the bathroom, so I'm gonna go ahead and close the door. Anyways, it used to be 9:15. What time is it? Oh, okay. That's good. It's just 11:52. I'm gonna start getting changed. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around in 3, 2, 1. I may seem a little bit down. I didn't get much sleep last night because I had a nightmare last night, and my mom decided to just sleep with me. So yeah, I'm gonna get changed. So yeah, we're gonna. There's this drawer right here. I guess I can wear these pants because they're like my only actual long pants. These are those short kind of pants. So those. Take it over to my shirts. I'll wear that. And it's gonna be a little bit chilly today. We'll wear this, I guess. I don't know, it doesn't really fit it. I'm definitely going to have to wear this today. I'll wear this, and I'll wear this. This looks good. These 3 things look good. Guess I'll wear the same things as I am right now. Here. It might stop the video, so I'm going to see you guys then in 3, 2, 1. Oh, sweet. Okay, it didn't. I had to take off the earbuds. So yeah, I'm going to take my clothes over there, and I'm going to see you when I'm finished. So I'm going to take my clothes. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys when I'm done changing in 3, 2, 1. I look so nice. Okay, that was kind of weird. But I look so cute right now. Anyways, I'm going to see you guys when we go on the beach. We're going to go on a walk on the beach. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys then in 3, 2, 1. How many times has Chloe already peed out here? She's peed many times. That was like our 3rd time. Third or second. That's a lot for a dog. It's like her. stick. I need my stick. Every year we must get a stick. Oh my god. I need a stick. I need a stick. What stick's out there? I'm gonna see you guys when we find something interesting. Daddy shot you, baby! Crazy dogs. Okay, Finn? Guys, so, I don't know why I clapped right after I said everything. So, well, not every single thing in my bobby. So, yeah. So, my grandma, Lindsay is here, and her mom's here, and then my mom and my dad are downstairs. They're all downstairs talking. I'm up here because I'm a shy person, but, so yeah. I'm gonna take pictures with my iPad, when everybody gets here, even though it's not Thanksgiving. But, I mean, Sandy and BB are coming. I don't know about Mikey, but Sandy and BB, and then Grumpy's gonna come, and then Ian's gonna come, and yeah, I think that would be it. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys, when I go to bed tonight in 3. I'll tell you. Oh, alright, my bad. Probably not when I go to bed tonight because I'm gonna I'm gonna have to eat dinner, and then also I'm gonna show you guys those pictures. So yeah, not when I eat dinner. I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna see you guys during I eat dinner in pictures. In 3, 2, 1. Right, guys. So we're about to eat dinner. I'm about to go take some pictures of everybody down there and what the food looks like. And so yeah, then I'm gonna go to Grumpy's place, which is my grandpa, by the way. He calls himself Grumpy, so we call him Grumpy. Grumpy and Lindsay, which is his wife, and Lindsay's mom. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in the few pictures, and not Grumpy's house, and not his house, his condo, his beach condo here. In 3, 2, 1. Oh no, wait. So he also has these 2 amazing dogs. One's named Kobe. She is a little plain old Chihuahua. She's really scared. Every single time you do this, she gets scared and she'll either roll over or just lay down, and because she's scared that she's gonna be carried. And then there's Jack on the other hand. He's white, he's curly, he's a little bit bigger. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys then in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I literally just woke up because I ran out of room last night to film my last
my outro. So, but then I had to go to bed, so I deleted a few games, a few videos, and here I am. It is now Thursday, so yeah, happy Thanksgiving, but I'm gonna make a video of the whole Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna see you guys then. Remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you thought it was cute or nice. Comment anything you want, but make it nice and not mean, please. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. In 3, 2, guys, it may not look like it's morning, but it definitely is. Let me show you. It's morning. So yeah. Good morning, guys, and happy Thanksgiving. Bye.